There are already 2 easy ways to make money on Connector app, even before our official launch. One way is that if you have experience in sales or know someone who does, Connector has a revenue sharing plan for ambitious salespeople who facilitate startup investors with their purchase of Connector Coin. Simply stated, it goes like this. You get in front of potential investors in either formal or informal setting. You explain the function and progress of Connector app and how Connector Coin works in the ecosystem. The pros at Connector will help you with the transactions. The salesperson keeps between 10 and 20% depending on the volume. These high-rate commission-only opportunities are limited, so DM for the fastest response. To learn about the other way to make money on Connector app, follow Connector app on Instagram or Twitter and comment the word Connect.